Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna have a look at gold. Obviously we do that every Wednesday, and for those of you who are subscribed and have been following my videos, this is what we posted last week. That was again an analysis on gold before the Fed interest rate decision. That's when I said that I'm actually expecting to see price going up higher, basically creating some type of a pullback, and then I wanted to see a continuation to the downside. Right? And although we did have higher interest rate decisions, even higher than what was expected, price was supposed to drop below the previous low and eventually continue lower. Instead of that, though, as you can see, it happened exactly what we wanted to see, exactly what we expected, right? Instead of price going to the downside, it turned around, it created a higher structure, and it pushed even higher. Like I said, something that I shared with you guys that could happen no matter what the outcome of the news is, all right? And as you can see, the fundamentals, sometimes they confirm our technical analysis, because a lot of people would prefer not to trade around fundamentals or high impact news. But what you need to focus on is proper money management, patience and discipline to execute your trading strategy every time you get a decent setup, and then the fundamentals will actually help you and possibly push price in your direction. Alright, so looking at the chart right here, this is where price currently is, right? So we've had this downside move right here. Like I said, we had the Fed interest rate decision. This candle right here is where the news occur, okay? And what happened during the news, we had a push to the downside. You can see the long wicks above and below price action. We had a push to the upside. Pricing came down all the way to that previous low, and it then pushed higher, right? In the next few days, we came back for a retest of this zone where we've got the news candle, right? And I was expecting that we could possibly see a continuation of this pullback, and then at some point I was about to look for selling opportunities. Because like I said in the previous videos, we are in a downtrend. So although we may see a short-term upside move, this is just a pullback in the bigger picture. So at some point I did expect to see that reversal and price eventually continuing lower, right? Well, instead of continuing this pullback, price came down here to retest the moment of the news, and immediately we saw that there's not enough buying pressure for the market to go back to the upside. But instead of that, price started trading to the downside, and it's currently trading right around the level of 1825. Alright, so to me that confirms that the reversal has happened, and we're about to see the market continuing even lower, and basically the downtrend has begun again. Alright, so for me personally, right now I don't have a decent entry, because this type of move is not what I want to see when I'm looking to take a short trade. Ideally, I want to see some type of a pullback, right? Then I want to see a confirmation from price action, some type of a candlestick formation, or maybe even a single reversal candlestick right here, and then I'm happy to take a short trade. And when it comes to stop losses, obviously you can use a stop loss just above that reversal, which could be considered aggressive depending on what type of reversal you have and also what type of a trader you are. You could also use a stop loss above 1856, 1857, basically above this previous high, and the most conservative stop loss would be above 1879, which is quite far from where price currently is. Okay, so that means I might not get an entry right now, maybe not even today, but I'm totally fine with this. Like I said, when price is going down, obviously I'm looking to sell, but I want to get the best entry opportunity, and also that will increase my risk to reward ratio, right? Obviously you can drop down on the lower time frames, look for some type of selling opportunities. You can use this stop loss right here, okay, just above this week, so say around the 1845 level, and you can start looking to sell. But that would be a bit risky, because the pullback that I'm looking for will basically stop out some market participants right here. It will gather some selling orders from a higher level, and it will then continue to the downside. All right, so ideally to me, I want to see price right around 1845, and then I'm going to be looking to sell. I'm probably not going to get that much of a pullback. Price may come to around 1840, but I'm going to be observing price action and looking for that confirmation right here so I can possibly take a short trade. All right, I'm definitely expecting for price to come down to around the 1800 level, even break below that. So hopefully I get an entry and we'll see how this is gonna go. All right, now if you are not trading gold, there are some more opportunities across my watch list here. So have a look at New Zealand dollar, Aussie dollar, dollar Canadian. We've also got some decent opportunities on EU and GU as well. If you want to find out more, make sure to join our free Telegram channel. There's going to be a link below this video. Earlier this morning I shared my view on euro dollar as well, so you can find out what levels I'm looking at, and you can possibly find some trading opportunities for yourself as well. All right, so check out all the links in the description down below. Make sure to follow us on social media. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'm sharing daily video analysis just like this one every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and it's an information that you don't want to miss out. All right, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think of this setup, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last 2 videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.